in, please.
Thank you. I have a two-part question.
Go ahead.
Chaz Tenenbaum had since elementary school taken most of his meals in his room, standing up at his desk with a cup of coffee to save time. In the 6th grade, he went into business, breeding Dalmatian mice, which he sold to a pet shop in Little Tokyo. He started buying real estate in his early teens and seemed to have an almost preternatural understanding of international finance. He negotiated the purchase of his father's summer house on Eagles Island.
Hold it, Chazzy. Hold it right there.
What are you doing? You're on my team.
There are no teams.
Ah!
The BB was still lodged between two knuckles in Chaz's left hand.